New project. Hammer time! Let's crack into it. It's my heat sink. Alright, this is what we got. A bent finger style spike on one end and a hammer face on the other. So the hammer face is 20mm and ground down spike end there. So it's just a quick project, guys, more or less a one-dayer. Just ground down the handle, easy to grip, and yeah, had fun making it. So while the mini tonner is drying, so I can finish it next time, thought I'd just try something out and surprise you with something. That was a good day. Anywho, until next time, I shall see you in the next episode. Ciao for now.